Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How it's going everybody? Welcome back to today. I want to talk about web hosting. So far, you beginner out there that are still getting into the world web hosting, you might be wondering what is web hosting. Web hosting is a service that allow individual and organization to make their website accessible on the internet. It's a crucial aspect of building and maintenance a website as provides the necessary infrastructure and support for the website to be accessible by users around the world. When a website is created, it is built using a combination of coding languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it is stored on a computer or a server. In order for the website to be accessible on the internet, it needs to be hosted on a server that is connected to the internet, and this is where web hosting come in. Now if you are in the market for a good, reliable, secure and consistent web host, I recommended Ether Hostinger or Bluehost. Both of these web hosting servers are very reliable, and these are my two most recommended. I personally like to use Hostinger, but I just wanted to give you guys an extra option. If you are interested in Bluehost Ether, where you I find the full review. If you like to learn a little bit more about this web hosting service, in the description down below, as well as link to pricing and discount. Web hosting companies such as Hostinger and Bluehost provide service that can store and manage website, and they also provide the necessary technical support and maintenance to ensure that the website is always to up and running. There are several different type of web hosting, each with its one unique feature and benefit. Let's start with shared hosting. Shared hosting is the most basic and affordable type of web hosting. Is shared hosting. Multiple websites are hosted on a single server, and the resources of the server are shared among all the websites. This is a great option for small business and personal websites that don't have a lot of traffic or require a lot of resources. Now, VPS hosting is a more advanced type of web hosting that provides greater control and flexibility. In VPS hosting, a website is hosted on virtual server, which is a partition of a physical server. This is allow each website to have its one dedicated resources and also provide more control over the server, making it a great option for websites that have high traffic or more depending requirement. Next, you have dedicated hosting, and hostinger does not provide dedicated hosting, so we are going to have to go to Bluehost. This here we go. We have dedicated hosting right here, which is the most advanced and expensive type of web hosting. In dedicated hosting, a website is hosted on its one physical server. This provides the greatest level of control and resources, making it a great option for very large business or website that receive a lot of traffic, which is why it's very expensive option. Cloud hosting is another type of web hosting that is become increasingly popular a website is hosting on a network of servers that are connected to internet. This provides greater scalability and flexibility as the website can automatically use more resources as needed. In addition to shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicate hosting, and cloud hosting. You also have e-commerce hosting and WordPress hosting, which are just more specialized type of web hosting. You can also find more type of web hosting depending on web hosting provider that you are going with. For example, Hostinger has specialized hosting such as hosting for agency, Saber panel hosting, and Macrocraft server hosting. Thank you for watching this video.